How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to 947 Works. Sorry there's been quite a delay on videos. I have had quite a rough month. After we launched the rebrand and did the video of the rebrand, and I launched the truck video, I had some health complications where for a few days I was pretty sick. I had pretty bad migraines for a couple days, and then the day that I started to feel better, I hurt my back really bad. And so that I was just in bed for 2 weeks straight, trying to fix my back, stretching every day, trying to make it better so I can return to work. So this video is just a little update video. I hope you guys enjoyed the montage at the beginning. It's kind of like a day in the life type of montage. Today I figured I'd go over kind of the projects that are happening this year and what I've been working on when I have been in the shop. It's been kind of crazy. I've just been working nonstop on Tim's bike and getting my personal bikes sort of ready, and then a few other bikes that I'll show you guys in a bit. So let me flip around. We've got Tim's bike here. I've fully molded the frame. It's looking pretty good. The molding is coming out really good. I have this little spot left. I know there's some cracks in there. I'm gonna clean that up. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. I've basically molded a few spots here. I just put down the first coat of self-etching primer because most of it was bare metal. And so I want the primer and the paint to stick really well. And then let's talk about the flathead. As you can see, the flathead is completely apart right now. I tore into the motor. I was basically gonna do a giveaway on this bike, and I still am going to. But as you guys saw in the videos, the flathead was not running right. As you guys saw, it was running on one cylinder and just barely sometimes working on the second cylinder, not really running that great. So if you've noticed, I put the 16-inch front or rear wheel on it with the Duro tire and the 18 that was on the rear of this bike onto the front. So now it's 16, 18. It looks pretty cool in my opinion. And tore the top end apart yesterday and found some problems here. Basically, what was happening is there's very low compression on the front cylinder, and I was trying to figure out why. And it's because the clip that holds the wrist pin in came out, and so the wrist pin was popping out and made a massive groove in the cylinder wall. And I also found out that the front cylinder is 60 thousandths over, rear cylinder is 50 thousandths, which is kind of confusing. So I ordered head gaskets. I'm gonna basically order a whole new cylinder and piston kit for this bike. Just have to sell a few things, and then I'll be able to put this together, and hopefully it'll run great. We'll get to it as soon as all of that's here. Kind of bummed, but at the same time, whoever ends up going to, they'll have a freshly refreshed top end flathead. And so keep updated on that. I'll show you guys another project that I've been working on. Our buddy Brandon brought over his XS650. I'm currently waiting on parts for this, but he's gonna be doing a repop Wassel fender, a spring solo and P-pad combo with the XS650 front end. Unfortunately, this front end was bent, so I ordered a new one for him. I'm just kind of waiting on parts. I'll show the photo of the tank and everything mocked up on this bike. It's gonna look pretty cool. And then we've got a whole lot of stuff. So this XS650, I've been working on it quite a bit here and there, and I'm basically, the next couple things that I have to do is weld on a mount for the front wheel. I got to finish up the pipes, and then it's going to be ready to paint. I have to mount up the fender to the sissy bar, but then I'll just take it all apart and paint it. And yeah, there's a bunch of stuff all over it. The shop's kind of a mess right now. But yeah, this XS is going to come out really cool. The wishbone frame is coming apart. Basically, I bought the valve for the shovelhead, the one that was bent. I replaced the valve guide already, and so I just need to put a new valve in and lap the valve and kind of do a top end refresh on this as well. I'm going to do new pistons and cylinders, and then this motor is going to go back into the yellow frame, and then the yellow bike, the Sunset Shovel, once that's back together, I'm probably going to sell that as well. And what the sale of those two bikes, the Flathead and the Shovelhead, is going to go into a drivetrain for the wishbone frame. Hopefully I can find a Shovelhead motor with a title, or maybe a panhead motor, who knows. But it's going to have this stance, the 1916 combo. Stance looks pretty good. But yeah, I'm going to do something similar to this. Probably going to do, I have a Wassel tank that I'm going to paint, and another Wassel fender that I'm going to paint. And it'll have the 33 front end. It'll kind of be just like this. And then we have, this is something that Mike's been working on for a little while. And it's looking pretty good, Mike. Yeah, this is Mike's Ironhead he's been working on. It's looking pretty sweet. Runs pretty good. And I dig it. Great job, Mike. We used these 33.4 fork shrouds and made them work with the 35 front end. Basically cut out right there and made these little inserts, welded them on, blended them real nice. So that's looking real good. He might be throwing a hamburger drum on there. We'll see. And then the panhead. I just threw on, the panhead has a 33 on it as well, but for now, once I sell those bikes, I'm probably going to buy a chrome springer for the panhead. But I did throw on this 19-inch high shoulder that I laced up a little while ago with the Firestone ANS, and it's looking real good. Let me know what you guys think. Next up for the day, I'm going to be working on Josh's bike here. His clutch just went out, and I did a top end on this bike not too long ago, and it's been running really strong. But I bought a brand new Barnett clutch for him, and I'm gonna throw that on probably today and tomorrow. I am just getting back in the swing of everything, so thank you for everybody with your patience. If you've ordered parts on 947 Works parts page, they will be getting shipped out ASAP. I'm sorry it's taking so long. Also, we have a pre-order going on the website, 947works.com. Go check it out. We have some brand new shirts that I designed and threw on there. They are pre-order right now, so they will be going out very soon. Once we reach a limit or a number that we can pre-order, then we'll order them. But we also are offering more parts on the page, brand new parts from all different retailers. Right now, there's only a few on there. I'm going to be updating that in the next couple weeks, so go check that out. But for now, I might roll the Flathead off the lift and throw Josh's bike on and start doing the clutch. So for now, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. We're almost at 13,000 subscribers, which is amazing. Thank you all for subscribing. Thanks for stopping in. We'll see you in the next video. Peace out.
I guess you guys.
From nothing to